Got this, buddy.
Hold her wide.
Gotcha. No. Go, 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 go. Oh!
Jesus, it's soft.
Holy moly.
Do you see that drop?
Yeah.
Now what are you gonna do?
Well, we're gonna get his bike out for starts.
Oh boy.
Yeah, that tree's gotta go.
Are we coming back or what?
I'm gonna have to come back, aren't I?
Okay.
Oh yeah, you're not getting through it.
No.
Let me get on that bar.
1, 2, 3, up.
Careful. My legs are under it.
Oh wow.
Can you step back?
Colin, you got the camera on?
Yeah.
Of course you do, fucker.
Do you want to turn the bike off?
It's off.
Oh, I see your blinker on.
Sorry. Fuck, that went soft. Should have known better, shouldn't I have?
Huh. Well,
What would Brennan do?
that's right. Holy shit. Holy fuck, you ever sink in that?
On 1, 2, 3. Just baby steps. Here we go. There we go.
The front just plugged, isn't it?
A little more.
Fuck, I'm late for my Starbucks.
Now, if we can lift up this wheel, we should be able to get the front out, you know what I mean?
Shit. Just wait, guys. It's literally quicksand.
My phone getting
Look
underwater.
at that
there.
massive tree. Perilously close, but
Just a second.
look at this fucking branch we're dragging.
Jesus Christ.
1, 2, 3. Nope. Right, let's lift it by the rear tire here, boys. 1.
There we go. Oh my fuck, I slipped. It's
1.
quicksand.
2, 3.
Jeez.
Getting that rear.
You think your electrical stuff will ever work?
Oh yeah.
Fine.
We need to focus on getting it here. This is too mucky. We're never going to get it up and through this shit. I think this is going to be our way.
You think this?
Yeah.
That's the hardest shit. 3.
There we
That'll-
go.
All right.
Here's Steve. Here. I don't know how you're ever gonna get any leverage.
Well, Steve and I will take the bottom. Ready, gents? 1, 2, 3.
As strong as an ox. Now,
Holy fuck.
turn the bars to the right, and we just want to walk right up to it. Hug this tree. That's what we want to do.
Just leave it on me.
Tree
for a sec.
hugger.
Everyone take a break. I got it.
Take a break. This is worse than the far.
Yeah,
What were we thinking?
I don't know.
by a bit.
We were.
Oh yeah, this is nice and hard.
Give it a try, they say.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking.
Whew.
He was going
Oh, hello,
that way,
Mr.
and I was
Frog.
trying to show off and show him that this was the right way.
There you go. What a little slut. I'm impressed.
I'm just gonna dig
I'm
holes.
going to turn the front wheel up for you, right?
Dig?
Quick enough. Fuck, sucker. You doing okay? Alright, let's take 5. I felt like he gave it a little at the end there just to say
That
fuck
was
you.
me trying to hold on to my
Little
hands slipping on. That was not my intention.
Okay, okay. Oh, Mike.